Hi, fellow viewers, to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve. Uh, Steve H. H is my middle initial. Ong is my family name. The owner of this YouTube account in this respective website, YouTube. By the way, first of all, I would like to say thank you so much for, if I'm not mistaken, in the world history, uh, in in America there are two different continents, North and South America. By the way, my point of this video is about South America, or known as, it's either Latin America or Central America. That includes Brazil. Why did I say thank you so much for South America for recognizing me as world's famous necrologist? Is because I did not expect that my name will be uh, recognized in the whole world. Imagine in the planet Earth we have 7 continents. Can you imagine 7 continents? And just come to think of it, I'm just only publishing an ecological video in purely English. By the way, for those who do not understand English, you use the app Google Translation. Uh, if I speak English, you use uh, English to Spanish. Okay. To those who understands English, if you use Spanish, then I'm using English. But the most important thing is my dialect is English because that's a second language in the whole world. Um, English to Spanish. If you are using Google Translation in the app, mobile app. Okay. For those from Brazil, thank you so much. I did not expect, to be honest, to be honestly speaking, because I understand that Brazil is not Spanish because it was colonized by Portuguese. Thank you so much for recognizing me as world's famous necrologist, me as myself, that I am based here in the Philippines. Thank you so much. By the way, before I say goodbye, don't forget to click subscribe, and also the most important part, click the notification bell for my next necrological videos. Thank you so much for listening. Good morning.